welcome to the Wings on Wheels, and today we are going to do a pure sound test of Volkswagen GTI 1.8 TSI, which produces 189 bhp and 250 Newton meters of torque. But before starting this, please note that it is not a stock exhaust of this GTI, but an aftermarket custom exhaust. Also, the mic doesn't do any justice by capturing the exhaust note at all, but still you can put on your headphones or raise the volume of your speakers. If you're watching this on your smartphone, then I will again advise you to please play this video on your PC speakers or a good Bluetooth speaker for that maximum eargasm. So let's start with the video. But first know that there are three types of throttle responses and gear shifts in this GTI. The normal D mode, which is the drive mode in automatic transmission, the S mode, which is the sports mode in automatic transmission, and then the paddle shifts, which can be used in completely manual mode. So without further ado, let's start with the pure sound test of GTI. Thank you for watching Wings on Wheels. Please leave a comment below if you like the exhaust note of this GTI. We'll be back very soon with another vlog. Thank you for watching.